Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Shivai. Polish actress Erika Carr asks in one scene, Shiva with a Y. Why? Why not? Replies Ajay Devgan. Which, if you observe, is the perfect answer to all of life's questions. Why does the sun come up? Why not? Why do we fall in love? Why not? Why is Nutella fattening? Why not? Why is this film in existence? Matlab, you get the point. Now, as the trailer suggests, Shivai is the story of a mountaineer who falls in love with a Bulgarian woman. They have a daughter together, and when this daughter gets kidnapped, how he does Zameen Asman Ek to bring her back. But Shivai is also the story of Ajay Devgan-ness, and at no point are we allowed to forget that. Not when foreign nationals look at him and say, ooh, he's so hot and sexy. Not when he jumps and cascades down a mountainside wearing jeans and a freaking leather jacket, Shruti ke bao missing. Not when he walks into every room in slow motion. Not when he straight up kills about 100 men. And not when he's running on open roads, his rippling muscles repelling bullets. This is an Ajay Devgan show, and you are not allowed to forget that. From what I hear, this movie has been in the making for 2 years. और दिखाई देता है. Cinematographer Aseem Bajaj's magnificent frames, Mithun's sensational music, never seen before action sequences, coloring, chroma, सब. But 2 साल में एक बार भी किसी ने बैठ के स्क्रिप्ट और स्क्रीनप्ले पे ध्यान नहीं दिया. While the story of the film is engaging and full-on entertaining on paper, in execution it's one giant what yeah. One scene has Shivai smoking a chillum, because why not? And then suddenly there's an earthquake. Now he stands around for a whole minute before thinking of running inside to rescue his blissfully asleep daughter. Another scene has a group of mountaineers run helter-skelter screaming ah! When suddenly an avalanche occurs, and I'm like, tourists nahi jaate na aisi serious peaks par. You need proper mountaineers. This is Tenzing Norgay territory. Kisko utha ke le aaya? Right after said avalanche, Shivai and Lady Love are caught in a tent suspended in mid-air, and for about 22 seconds the poor girl is terrified, and then they start making out. Suddenly, hawa mein tent and imminent death are both forgotten because sex. A girl taking a long luxurious bath is thinking inexplicably of her father continuously, and it's all just so bizarre and a little haphazardly put together. एक बार ध्यान दे देते यार 2 साल में बस once. There are many absurd scenes, and many a voice in the theatre could be heard saying, ये अबे यार ये क्या हो रहा है? Now, Ajay Devgan is a fantastic actor. We've seen him do all kinds of parts. Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Omkara, Golmaal, Raincoat, and now this. In Shivai too, one scene where he completely breaks down looking for his daughter fearing the worst is some fine acting. और ऐसी मार पिटाई है फिल्म में कि I'm thinking about it now, I'm going like Direction though, to which he's returning after 8 years, leaves a lot to be desired. और सर जिससे भी आप डायलॉग लिखवा रहे हो ना, चेक पूरा मत देखना उसको. A legend like Girish Karnad has been given lines like, बेटा कहाँ हो? डैड कहीं जा रही हूँ, रास्ते में हूँ, सही रास्ते पे हूँ. Veer Das, he's also in this film for about 3.5 scenes, is guiding Ajay Devgan over the phone as Ajay chases gundas in his car for all his life's worth and says things like, अरे यार कहाँ हो तुम? Hurry up, वो border cross करने वाला है यार. क्या कर रहे हो यार? Drive like Schumacher यार. Where are you? कुछ नहीं, बेटी किडनैप हो गई, मैं जरा चाय पी रहा हूँ. I have to mention Abigail Eames, who plays the 8-year-old Gaura, Shivai's daughter. She is sensational and a finer child actor I haven't seen in a long time. Given the right roles, she can outshine all adult actors sharing screen space with her. She's just that good. Casting ko matlab best. In conclusion, I would like to quote Veer Das again. Take my brain, fried for breakfast, eat it with Tabasco sauce and not even stop to say yummy. Self-fulfilling prophecy much? On a scale of 1 to 10, Shivai is 5 और 6 times शिवाय खुद को शिवाय बोलता है इस फिल्म में. इतना who talks in the third person यार. इसके भीतर बसा शिवाय. वही ना मिर्जा वाली बात है. ये खूबसूरत नजारे, स्वीपिंग लंबे स्लो मोशन शॉट्स. अब आगे कुछ नहीं. आप सब्सक्राइब करो फिल्म कंपेनियन को. आगे बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं. एंड गेट योर फिल्म फिक्स ऑल्सो.